Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on HONOR X70i. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on system and updates. Then you have to click on reset and then click on reset phone and click on reset phone again. Now you have to enter your lock screen pattern and click on reset. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.